most hunts fail, so hunters are continually devising new tactics. The rainforests of Belize in Central America. And as evening falls and the shower comes to an end, a predator begins to hunt. Greater bulldog bat, a flying mammal and a fisherman. A fish swimming just below the surface creates telltale ripples. And that is all the bat needs to detect them. With little more than a fin to aim for, and whilst flying at 40 miles an hour, the bat takes the fish completely unawares. If the shoal scatters, the bat trawls the surface. Raking the water, trying to snag a fish. He won't have the best fishing spot to himself for long, and soon other bats arrive. Oncoming traffic would make grabbing a fish almost impossible, so the bats avoid collisions by honking, dropping their calls an octave to say, "Look out, here I come."